I think I messed up. Can a sneeze really travel at 100 miles per hour? Let's find out. Yep, you heard that right. When you sneeze, your body expels air at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's as fast as a speeding car. But why does this happen? It all starts in your chest, diaphragm, and throat muscles. They contract forcefully, sending a blast of air through your nose and mouth. This helps clear out irritants like dust, pollen, and germs. Pretty cool, right? But here's the kicker. Those tiny droplets in your sneeze can travel up to 6 feet. That's why it's super important to cover your mouth and nose. We don't want those germs spreading around. So next time you sneeze, remember the incredible speed and power behind it. And always sneeze responsibly. Stay healthy, folks.